And sort of a quick know you have on these vehicles and what they can do. You can see the tanker now on a safe position on the trailer. This has been driven by Tez from Mails Recovery, and then we got Guy from Huff Green Garage at Witness for the Kenworth. Right, give him a round of applause, please, for, I'm sure you hope you've all enjoyed what we've shown you today. Thank you very much for your time.
Ladies and gentlemen, give a massive round of applause for the Crash Rescue with Enfield Recovery and friends. A great display from them here today. Out in the rain, showing you exactly what takes place on a day-to-day basis on the roads. They're showing you their trucks right now in the grandstand. Feel free to wave to them and let them know you're there. And supporting them right now, there's the Kenworth 24-hour nationwide recovery, Hugh Green Heavy Rescue, followed by Auto Right in the Mercedes. Some like to call them emergency crews. In fact, they are emergency crews, but seen as support crew for many, many firemen and police out of the country. And if you get stuck in Europe, don't call the local boys. Call these boys, call these girls, these lads. They'll come pick you up on the continent.
The only bad thing about driving trucks is insurance. And if you're sick of high quotes from companies that don't understand what a trucker needs, talk to Tower.